Ready for an adventure? Join us as we explore the thrill of Southeast Asia after dark. Discover the vibrant nightlife, hidden gems, and cultural wonders that await you. Stay tuned for essential tips to ensure your journey is both thrilling and safe. Southeast Asia comes alive at night. As the sun sets, the cities and towns transform into vibrant hubs of activity, with neon lights illuminating the streets and a palpable energy filling the air. The night is when the true magic of Southeast Asia reveals itself. The streets are a canvas of delicious smells from food stalls. The aroma of sizzling meats, fragrant spices, and sweet treats paints the air, drawing both locals and tourists. Street vendors, with their deft hands and culinary prowess, prepare a variety of dishes, from savory sauté skewers to mouth-watering pad thai, each bite a testament to their skill and the region's rich culinary heritage. The night markets are bustling with people. These markets are a sensory overload, with colorful stalls selling everything from handmade crafts to trendy fashion items. The energetic chatter of bargaining fills the air as shoppers engage in the thrill of the hunt for unique souvenirs and great deals. It's a place where cultures collide and the spirit of community thrives. Beautiful lights and music are everywhere. Strings of fairy lights create a magical ambiance, while local musicians and performers add to the festive atmosphere with their captivating tunes and dances. It's a fantastic experience that immerses you in the local culture and leaves you with unforgettable memories. But, just like anywhere else, it's important to stay safe. While the night markets and streets are generally safe, it's always wise to be cautious. Keep an eye on your belongings, stay in well-lit areas, and be aware of your surroundings. Remember, the locals are your best resource for advice on unfamiliar locations. Don't hesitate to ask for their guidance. This way you can relax and enjoy all the unique and amazing things Southeast Asia has to offer at night. From savoring delectable street food to capturing the perfect photo, there's so much to see and do. The night is filled with endless possibilities, and with a little caution, you can make the most of your adventure. Another key to a safe night in Southeast Asia is to keep your valuables secure and out of sight. Avoid displaying expensive items, as this can attract unwanted attention. By keeping a low profile, you reduce the risk of theft and ensure a more enjoyable experience. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go! Embrace the vibrant nightlife, indulge in the local cuisine, and immerse yourself in the cultural experiences that make Southeast Asia so enchanting. The night is young and there's a whole world waiting to be explored. So gather your friends, put on your most comfortable shoes, and get ready to discover the magic of Southeast Asia after dark. It's not just a trip, and it's a shared experience. Before diving into today's travel tips, let's talk about something exciting. Imagine being the first to watch our latest videos, enjoying exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and helping shape the direction of our channel. By becoming a channel member, you'll join a vibrant, interactive community where your ideas and feedback play a key role in what we create next. You'll also unlock early access to videos and other special perks. Simply click the join button below to get started. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner for more fresh and exciting travel adventures. If you're a night owl about to explore Southeast Asia, get ready for a warm welcome. Envision a street bathed in the soft glow of twinkling lights, their gentle illumination creating a cozy, inviting ambiance. These lights, like a beacon, bring the night to life with their vibrant, magical allure. You see families enjoying the cool evening air, children laughing and playing, couples strolling hand in hand, and friends chatting animatedly. That's the feeling you want. It's a sense of community and safety where everyone is out to enjoy the night without worry. Always stick to well-lit areas when you're out at night. These places usually have more people around, which can make you feel safer. The presence of others can be reassuring, and the bustling activity can deter any potential threats. Moreover, well-lit areas are often monitored by security cameras, significantly enhancing your safety and peace of mind. Dark and empty streets can be a bit scary. The shadows can play tricks on your mind, and the silence can be unsettling. Feeling vulnerable when you're alone in the dark is easy, with no one around to help if something goes wrong. While it's always better to be cautious, don't let it dampen your spirits. Follow the lights and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Southeast Asia's nightlife. The bright lights not only enhance the beauty of the surroundings, but also highlight the lively culture and energy of the place. You can explore night markets, savor delicious street food, and immerse yourself in the local traditions and festivities. Remember, safety comes first, so choose well-lit paths and stay aware of your surroundings. By doing so, you can have a fun and memorable night out without any worries. Enjoy the night, stay safe, and make the most of your time in Southeast Asia. Keeping your valuables safe while exploring Southeast Asia is crucial. It will give you peace of mind as you explore. You are less likely to be targeted by pickpockets. Think of your valuables like hidden treasures. You wouldn't want anyone to find them easily, would you? Keep your money, passport, and expensive jewelry safe and out of sight. You can use a money belt or keep them locked in your hotel safe. This way you can relax and enjoy your night without worrying about your belongings. Remember, safety first, fun always follows. Fun. Get ready for some expert transportation tips that will make your journey through Southeast Asia smooth and hassle-free. When you're using taxis or ride-sharing apps, always make sure you're getting into a licensed vehicle. Check for identification and don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about anything, it's best to ask your hotel to recommend a trusted transportation service. Remember, getting around safely means more time to enjoy the sights and sounds of Southeast Asia at night. Are you worried about staying connected while exploring Southeast Asia? Please stay connected with loved ones and fellow travelers as we share the best ways to keep in touch while exploring Southeast Asia. From local SIM cards to Wi-Fi hotspots, please ensure you're always just a call away. Imagine exploring a bustling night market, trying delicious food, and immersing yourself in the local culture. The sights, sounds, and flavors are all new and exciting. But what makes these experiences even more memorable is the ability to share them with your loved ones back home. Picture the sheer joy of sharing a bite of a delectable street food treat with your friends and family through a video call or a quick text. This shared happiness can make you feel closer to home, no matter how far away you are. Staying connected is not just about sharing fun moments, it's also about ensuring your safety. With Wi-Fi available in most places, you can easily keep in touch with your loved ones. Just letting them know your whereabouts and plans can give you an added layer of security. Before heading out for the evening, take a moment to inform your family or friends about your plans. Whether you're planning to explore a new part of the city or enjoy the night market, keeping them in the loop can reassure you and them. Many smartphone apps allow you to share your live location with others. This feature can be handy when you're in a new place. By sharing your location, your loved ones can know exactly where you are, which can be crucial in unexpected situations. Knowing that someone is aware of your location can give you peace of mind as you explore. It allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without worrying about your safety. This sense of security can be a powerful shield, as it can be comforting for your family and friends to know that you're safe and enjoying your trip. Remember, sharing your adventures makes them even more special. Whether it's through photos, videos, or live updates, letting others in on your journey can enhance your travel experience. For instance, sharing a stunning sunset photo can bring back your awe-inspiring feeling when you first saw it. It allows you to relive those moments and share the joy with those who matter most to you. So as you navigate through the vibrant night markets and bustling streets, keep your loved ones close by, staying connected. It's a small effort that can make a big difference in your travel experience. If you're a traveler, you must know how to avoid risky situations and stay safe during your Southeast Asian adventure. You have a superpower, your instincts. If something feels off or unsafe, trust your gut and remove yourself from the situation. It's always better to be extra cautious than to ignore warning signs. Remember, your safety is the most important thing. Don't be afraid to say no or walk away if you feel uncomfortable. If you travel, you need to keep your phone fully charged. Powering up your phone will allow you to stay connected with your loved ones longer and take more photos. Your phone is like your trusty sidekick on any adventure. It helps you navigate, capture memories, and stay connected. Keep your phone charged at all times. It's a good idea to carry a portable charger, just in case. A charged phone can be a lifeline in an emergency, so make sure it's always ready to go. Are you worried about being unprepared in an emergency? Equip yourself with essential emergency contacts and locations to ensure you're prepared for any situation. We'll guide you through the must-know information to keep you safe and informed during your travels. Imagine having a superhero's contact list, ready for any situation. That's what knowing emergency numbers is like. Save local emergency numbers, your hotel's contact information, and your embassy's details in your phone. It's also helpful to know the location of the nearest police station or hospital. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference in an unexpected situation. As we wrap up our journey, let's celebrate the adventure and the memories made. Southeast Asia at night is a world of wonder, with so much to discover and enjoy. By following these simple safety tips, you can embrace the magic while staying safe and sound. Remember, adventure awaits, and with a little bit of preparation, you can make the most of your journey. So go out there, explore, have fun, and create unforgettable memories in the heart of Southeast Asia. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our growing community of adventurers, and like our video to support our channel. Stay inspired and never miss out on our latest travel content. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications. Your travel ideas and stories are the heart of our community, making it the vibrant and diverse space we're so proud of. We're truly grateful for your contributions, and we can't wait to see more of your thoughts and adventures in the comments below. Thanks again, and I can't wait to see you in the next video, where we'll continue to celebrate your unique stories.